Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Sure. What are you looking for?
I'm trying to find the train station.
Oh, the train station. It's not far from here.
Can you tell me how to get there?
Yes. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right at the traffic light.
Okay, straight for 2 blocks, then turn right. Got it.
After that, walk about 5 minutes and you will see the station on your left.
Great. Is it near any big building or shop?
Yes, it's next to the big supermarket called City Market.
Thank you. Can I also walk there, or should I take a bus?
You can walk. It's only 10 minutes from here.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Thanks.
Hello, can you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need?
I have a headache and a sore throat. Can you recommend something?
Yes, for headache, you can take paracetamol. For sore throat, try lozenges.
How many should I take?
Take 1 tablet every 6 hours for the headache and 1 lozenge every 3 to 4 hours for the throat.
Thank you. Do I need a prescription?
No, these are over-the-counter medicines.
Great. How much are they?
Paracetamol is $5 and the lozenges are $3.
I'll take both, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Thanks. Hello, doctor. I have a toothache.
Hello. I'm sorry to hear that. Which tooth hurts?
My upper left molar.
How long have you had the pain?
For 2 days.
Any swelling or fever?
No, just pain when I eat or drink cold food.
All right. Open your mouth, please. Let me check. I see a small cavity. We need to clean it and fill it.
Will it hurt?
You will feel a little discomfort, but I will use anesthesia, so it's not painful.
Okay, that's good.
I will clean the cavity first.
Okay.
Now I will fill it.
How long will it take?
About 15 to 20 minutes. All done. Your tooth looks good now.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Avoid very hot or cold food for a few hours.
Okay, I understand.
Don't forget to brush twice a day and visit regularly.
I will. Thanks again.
Good morning. Can you help me, please?
Good morning. Of course. What do you need help with?
I want to send a package to London.
Sure. What is the size and weight of the package?
It's a small box, about 2 kilograms.
Okay. Do you want standard shipping or express?
What's the difference?
Standard shipping takes 5 to 7 days. Express shipping takes 2 to 3 days.
I'll choose express, please.
All right. Can I see the address, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. Do you want tracking for your package?
Yes, please. How much is it?
For express with tracking, it's $25.
Okay, here's the money.
Thank you. Here's your receipt and the tracking number.
Great. Can I also buy some stamps?
Of course. How many do you need?
5, please.
Here you go. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need help with?
I don't know where my gate is. My flight is to London.
Okay, can I see your ticket, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Your gate is B12. You need to go straight and then turn left.
Oh, thank you. How long does it take to get there?
About 10 minutes if you walk fast.
And where is the security check?
Security is near gate B10, just before your gate.
Okay. Do I need to show my passport at the security check?
Yes, they will ask for your passport and boarding pass.
All right. And where can I check my luggage?
There's a check-in counter near the entrance. What airline are you flying with?
British Airways.
Then go to counter 5. They will check your luggage and give you a boarding pass if you don't have it yet.
Perfect. One more question. Where can I find a restroom?
There's one near the entrance and another near the food court.
Great. And where is the food court? I'm a bit hungry.
Just follow the signs. It's on the second floor near gate B15.
Oh, that's convenient. Can I also buy some water and snacks near my gate?
Yes, there is a small shop next to gate B12. They sell drinks, sandwiches, and magazines.
Excellent. And what about a waiting area? I want to sit before the flight.
There are chairs near every gate. You can sit near your gate after security.
Okay, and if I need help during the flight, can I ask the staff at the airport?
Yes, we have staff all around the airport. Just look for the uniform or information signs.
Thank you so much for all your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe and pleasant flight.
Thanks. I feel ready now.
Good afternoon. I have a reservation under Lisa Brown.
Good afternoon. Yes, Miss Lisa. Welcome to our hotel. Can I see your ID, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Your room is ready. Here is your key card.
Thank you. Can I ask a few questions about the hotel services? Of course. Is there Wi-Fi in the rooms?
Yes, we have free Wi-Fi in all rooms. The password is on this card.
Great. And what time is breakfast?
Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 in the restaurant on the first floor.
Perfect. Do you have a swimming pool?
Yes, the pool is on the second floor. It's open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Wonderful. And what about the gym?
The gym is next to the pool, and it's free for all hotel guests.
Excellent. Can I also get room service?
Yes, room service is available 24 hours. The menu is in your room.
One last question. Can I ask for extra towels if I need them?
Absolutely. Just call the reception from your room.
Thank you so much. You've been very helpful.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Hi, can you help me, please?
Of course. What kind of dress are you looking for?
I need a dress for a party. Something red, blue, or maybe pink?
Great. We have many party dresses. Do you want something short or long?
I prefer long dresses, but short is okay too.
Here are some long red dresses. This one is satin and very elegant.
Oh, it's beautiful. Can I try it on?
Yes, of course. The fitting room is over there.
It fits well, but I'm not sure about the color. Do you have it in rose?
Yes, this one is royal rose. It's also very popular for parties.
I like it. Can I try it too?
Yes, of course.
I love the color, and it fits perfectly.
You look amazing. Do you want to see some other styles? Maybe with tulle or lace?
Yes, show me, please.
Here is a pink tulle dress. It's very fancy and has nice details.
Oh, it's so pretty. How much is it?
It's $55.
And the other dress?
It's $50.
I think I'll take the rose one. It's perfect for the party.
Great choice. Do you want to see a few accessories to match?
Maybe later. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. I'm sure you'll look amazing at the party.
Thank you so much.
Hi, can you help me today?
Of course. What would you like to do with your hair?
I want a haircut. Not too short, just a trim.
Okay. How many centimeters do you want to cut?
About 5 centimeters, please.
All right. Do you want layers or just straight cut?
Layers, please. I like some volume.
Great. And you want it washed first?
Yes, please.
Now I will cut your hair. Let me know if the length is okay.
Okay.
Do you like the length?
Yes, it's perfect. Thank you.
Would you like me to style it or just leave it dry?
Can you blow dry it, please?
Of course.
It looks amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. See you next time.
Hi, can you help me, please?
Of course. What's the problem?
I can't send messages on my phone.
Okay. Which app are you using?
WhatsApp.
All right. Can you open the app?
Yes, it's open.
Do you see the contact you want to send the message to?
Yes, but when I type a message and press send, nothing happens.
Maybe your internet is off. Can you check if mobile data or Wi-Fi is on?
Oh, my mobile data was off. Let me turn it on.
Try sending the message again.
It works. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you want help with something else?
Yes. How can I make a video call on WhatsApp?
Open the contact, then click the video camera icon.
Great. It works.
Thank you. I feel much better now.
No problem. You'll get used to your phone quickly.
Taxi, are you free?
Yes, I am. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the city center, please.
Okay. How many people will go in the taxi?
Just me, and I have one suitcase.
That's fine. Please get in.
Thank you. How long will it take to get there?
About 15 to 20 minutes, depending on traffic.
That's fine. How much will it cost?
Around $10.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay by card or cash.
Perfect. Thank you. During the ride.
Is this your first time in this city?
Yes, it is. I'm visiting for a few days.
Welcome. Do you need any suggestions for sightseeing?
Yes, please. I want to see famous places.
You should visit the Old Town, the river area, and the main square. Very beautiful.
Great. And is it far from the city center?
No, it's only 5 minutes by taxi from here. Traffic is a bit heavy today. We may be a little late.
That's okay. I'm not in a hurry.
Do you want me to take a faster route?
Yes, please, if it's safe.
Sure. By the way, do you have a hotel nearby?
Yes, I'm staying at the Grand Hotel.
Okay, I know it. We will pass by it on the way.
Actually, can we stop at the hotel first? I need to drop off my suitcase.
No problem. Let's go to the hotel first.
At the hotel. Thank you. I'll be quick.
Take your time. I'll wait outside.
After a few minutes, back on the road.
Now, we're back on the main road. It's about 10 minutes to the city center.
Great. Can you tell me the total cost before we arrive?
Sure. It should be around $12 because of the extra stop.
That's fine. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you want me to help you with sightseeing tips while you're there?
Yes, please. I want to know the best restaurants and cafes.
There is a nice cafe near the main square, and some restaurants along the river are very good.
Perfect. I will check them out.
Traffic is a bit slower now. We may arrive in 5 to 7 minutes.
That's okay. I don't mind. Arriving at the city center.
Here we are, the city center.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. The total is $12.
I'll pay by card.
Done. Here's your receipt.
Thank you. Can I call you again if I need another taxi?
Of course. You can call me anytime.
Great. Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your visit.